Good morning! It's our, anong day na ba? 4th day. Today is February 23 and currently 8:15 na here. Okay? We woke up very early kasi today, it's our last day here in Nagoya because we are now going to Tokyo. I think later 2 PM pa yung Shinkansen namin. But we woke up early kasi kahapon yung nag-Meguro sightseeing bus kami. Ginanawa naming last stop yung Nagoya Castle. Unfortunately, Nagoya Castle closes at 4:30. So, ayun, hindi na kami nakapunta. Kasi dumating kami around 4:50, ganyan. So, ngayon, pupuntahan namin yung Nagoya Castle because, syempre, sayang. So, yeah, come along with me kasi magbabas kami ngayon. So, let's go! Ito na guys, we are here at the bus stop, the Sakai bus stop, and we're waiting for bus number 34. Guys, I'm freezing. Let's wait. Here the bus station guys. Nakita ko yung this one, the Appa Hotel. Actually, ang daming Appa Hotel here sa Japan. Like, so many branches. So, ito pala yung Appa Hotel in Nagoya, Sakai Ikime. Yan. So guys, nandito na tayo. We just dropped off from the bus and we're now going to Nagoya Castle. Hi guys, we're now going to Nagoya Station for Shinkansen. Nandito na kami sa Shinkansen, okay? Nandito na kami, then yung yung machine, you just have to scan your code, tapos may ilalabas na ganito. So ito yung ticket nyo guys, ha? Huwag nyo to walain. Then let's go to our track papuntang Tokyo. Let's go! So guys, nandito na kami sa platform number 14. Pakita ko sa inyo later. And so yeah, we're just waiting here kasi yung ticket namin na binook via Klook is non-reserved siya. So dito kami sa platform 14, number 1 to 5. Yun yung mga non-reserved car. So dito kami naghihintay going to Tokyo kasi yung aming ticket is 231. Pakita kasi nyo guys. So, ayan guys. Ayan yung makikita nyo naman pagka sa mga screens sa baba and then here din sa platform. Ayan. Hikari 652 kami going to Tokyo. 231. Non-reserved cars are number 1 to 5. So, yan. So, yan yung car namin. So, set na kami though 2:14 pa naman kasi it gets crowded and also we wanted na to choose a better seat kasi they say yung sa Mount Fuji it's seat number 8, parang ganun. So yeah, so see you in Tokyo guys. Bye. So now we're off to Tokyo. hotel room tour tayo here at Apa Hotel. So guys, upon entering ito, meron na kayong bungad dito na may bungad na kayo dito na hanger, and then may mirror dito, and then parang may vanity mirror, and then ito na yung bed. Ayan. So under the bed naman, malaking space, pwede nyo lagyan yan ng mga luggages nyo. So I think ito lang yung space nyo talaga, guys. And then open your luggage, ito lang talaga yung space nyo. So ayan. And then for the bathroom naman, ayan, napaka-cutesy. Yan yung bathroom nila. Ayan. So guys, ang Apa Hotel talaga, so guys, ang Apa Hotel talaga is notorious for like small talaga yung spaces nila. So yeah, nag-hotel tayo here. Nag-hotel tayo here para malaman yung ano nga ba ang features ng Apa Hotel. So yan. Yan guys, napaka-cute but okay na. Sakto lang siya guys. Guys, umalis na muna kami sa hotel because we're going to eat out sa Shinjuku. So yeah, papunta kami ng Shinjuku Station. I mean, Shinjuku. Elevator. Here. And stairs. Stairs. So from our hotel sa Apa Roppongi, we took the Nomboki line. Then bumaba kami sa N8, tapos exit via 2. So ito na siya guys. Ito na yung Halal Ramen Shinjuku. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So this is the Halal Ramen Shinjuku. And guys, let's go inside sa basement 3. Let's go. Hi. Guys, ito na yung dinner natin. This is the chicken. I think miso soup na chicken miso base. Let's try. And guys, ubos. So guys, I recommend this to everyone. This Halal. Guys, I recommend this ramen shop if you're in here in Shinjuku kasi the broth is not very thick. It's not parang kasi minsan pag sobrang thick naman yung broth, nakakaumay siya. And yung spice talaga niya is very spicy. So yeah, if you were magawi kayo dito here in Shinjuku, maybe you can consider this. This is the again the Halal restaurant in Shinjuku.